This is my Honda CRF250R 2013 model. It's the bike I use for track days or events. So it hasn't been used since last September. It needs to be started. I want to check it runs because I want to take it out tomorrow, hopefully just around some local trails. This cold start's going to be a good test. It's been over a year. It should fire up first kick. It's a Honda. They're usually really reliable, and this bike's never missed a beat. It's never let me down, so I'm only expecting a good result. Brilliant job. That fired up first kick. I was expecting 2 or 3 kicks, not one. That's Honda reliability for you. That's perfect. Now it's definitely ready to take out for a rip tomorrow, as long as the weather stays dry. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the cold start, and I hope you enjoyed the sound of the YOSHI cans. And maybe we shall see you in the future. Moto Machines out.